guys, welcome back to Beauty with Ty. Thanks for coming back again. Okay, so let's get right into this video. This is also an Instagram inspired look that I did. You see the zigzag going on? Isn't it cute? Okay, so this hair is by Mishell hair. Look at this. It is so gorgeous, and this is their body wave texture as well. And this is also an Amazon based company. So they sent me a 14, 16, and 18 inch bundles, but I only used their 16 and 18 inches. And I also created these cute little two braids, as well as like this little zigzag section up here. How dope is that? So yeah, the great thing about this hair right now is that you can go to their website on Amazon, get a 14, 16, and 18 inches for $38. $38, like, where they do that at? Where do they do that at? That is a complete steal. And look at this. Look how my fingers are just flowing through this hair. Make sure you go check them out. I'll do an update letting you guys know. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. All right. Okay, y'all. So I'm going from some cornrows. I washed my hair and then I cornrowed it, and I've been wearing wigs. So I'm just going to pick it out. And it is extra crunchy because it is extra dry. But I big chopped my hair a year and 4 months ago. So that's on my channel. Go check that out. Alright, so what I'm going to do is just section off my hair, and then I'm going to cornrow the back and sew my bundles in. Okay, so for this style, you basically need to start off with 3 rows. The front. So just flat twist that out the way. Now I'm going to do another row. Okay, so this is the last row that I parted, and you do want to start from the front, because at first, as you see in the beginning of the video, I was starting back here, but I wasn't sure exactly how much hair I need in the front, so that's why I went back and started in the front. Got my 3 sections. So now I'm going to go ahead and cornrow the back of my hair. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and sew in my hair, and I'll be back. Okay, so I have my hair sewn in, and you guys know I usually do not have any leave out, and I don't have any this time. So what I do is just grab some from the top to pull it over my sides to cover the tracks. Because I mean, at the end of the day, who is all on top of your head? And if somebody is standing at the top of your head and you're worried about it, definitely leave your hair out. But I'm not leaving any of mine out. Okay, so now headed to the top, and I'm trying this new edge control that I seen off Instagram, and it's called Foreign Edges. It looks like this, and it comes in a tube like this. I don't know, I think this is like 4 ounces. It got to be 4 ounces because this is like an 8-ounce jar, but at the bottom of the jar you can see like all of this space, like a gap. So I don't know if this is 4 ounces or 8 ounces. Can't be 8 ounces. There's no way this is 8 ounces because you got a whole gap right here. I don't know if you guys can see, but, and I'll leave the links down below to this. Okay, so I have pinned this part back and pinned this part up. Now I'm going to do triangle plaits with this middle section. I'm going to start in the middle. I'm just going to do an angle going one way and then do the other way. And this is how I'm going to do this entire row. Like this. So whichever way you have the wider piece is the way the plait is going to be going. So I'm going to take some of this edge control and put it around my sections. And just braid it enough to make it stay. And really I can just clip it in there, and that's how I'm going to keep doing it all, like so. So this one, I'll take it and go this way. And I have no clue where my other comb got this little flimsy piece of shh. This has It has a perfume kind of smell. Some people might like that. Okay, and this one is going to go back. And to get these tight, I'm like doing it as like underhand. Just grab my 3 pieces tight, and then I start to braid once I have it really tight. This smell like perfume. That looks so cool. Pretty dope. And this probably gonna be the last 2 over here. And that's why you want to do your parts first, so you can make sure you have this one pretty nice and even. The other ones you don't gotta worry too much about. Y'all, that looks so cool. Look at that. Go me. And same thing on this side. Okay, y'all, so I finished my little sections. Look at that. Don't they look so good? Oh, I love this style. It looks so good. Let me take a look, quick little snap. Follow me, color_me_pretty1. Okay, so now I'm going to just take my clips out, and I'm just going to braid it straight across, adding in my plaits. Take some edge control. All these pieces just gonna get braided into that section, and I will be feeding it in. Grab that. Okay, now I'm just rubber band it and then cut it, and then just take a pin and bring it to the back. Okay, so the front we're going to do the same way. Okay, now get your edge control and put it all over. And just take some of my baby hairs out.